Alrighty guys, welcome back to yet another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can remove and reinstall your DME for your G20 BMW. This is going to be the same process for a couple of BMW models, you know, whether you have a B46, which is what this car has, a B58, etc, etc. And by doing this, you can get your ECU unlocked so you can get a tune done on your car. It's going to be like a 5-minute process. It's super simple to do, and your DME is actually located in your engine bay right over here under this plastic cover. Now technically you do want to disconnect your battery by removing the negative terminal, but you can also pull it out without unplugging your battery. It doesn't really matter. It is the safer option to disconnect the power just because you don't want to short circuit anything, but from my experience you can just pull it out straight. So in order to do this process, you just want to go ahead and remove this cover over here. Just lift it up, wiggle it aside, and underneath is where your DME is, or your ECU. And there are a total of 6 electrical connections. And because this is a 2019 model, the older version, all it needs is a bench unlock. And I got it done by RK Tunes here in New York. But anyways, let me just show you guys the process. There are 6 clips over here. And to remove this, there is a little push tab. So you want to push it down, and then you can pull the lever outward towards you like that. And that's how you remove the plug. And you can just go ahead and remove the plug like that, and just repeat this process. Just pull the lever down like so, remove the plug, and just do this all the way until you reach the very end. And now I just want to kind of tuck these cables aside, and you have the DME just sitting right there on the bottom. And there are actually 2 clips on the side here towards the driver's side of the car. So as you reach down there, pull on both of those clips, grab the DME, and you should be able to just lift it straight out. And it is a bit of a tight fitment because you have all these cables in the way. So just kind of push those aside as you pull this out. And there you go. That is your DME. Ooh. And all you have to do is just send this off to your tuner of choice to unlock it. And after you get it back, you just install it in the reverse order. So you want to make sure the part with all the fins is facing towards the passenger side. The flat side goes towards the driver's side. So to put this back in, same exact deal. Just slide it into its designated area. There are some grooves. You just want to follow the grooves and just push it all the way down until it clicks, just like that. And it's locked in to the tabs originally. And all you have to do is reconnect all these cables. So to do so, make sure the lever is still down. You want to just plug it in first. I'm going to start from the one all the way in the back. Plug it in, and then push up on the lever to lock it in place. And just repeat this process all the way until you fill it all up. And then we have one final one. Plug it in, click it into place. And that is how you remove and reinstall your DME. Now you can go take that plastic cover, push it into place, and there you go. All right, so now that you have your DME plugged back in, it is time to start it up and see if everything works. All right, start it up like a charm. You can go ahead and check if you have any faults. There are no faults on the screen. On my iDrive, the only faults I have is the fact that the hood is open. It says hood open and door open because clearly it's still open, but no errors, and you're ready to go to tune the car. Now there are a couple things you want to keep in mind with this process is if you are going to tune your car, just make sure you disable the automatic updates, because if this car does get updated, or if you take it to BMW to get a service done, the updating process or the programming that the BMW does might relock your ECU again. So yeah, hopefully this video was helpful for you guys if you're wondering how to remove and reinstall your DME to get it unlocked and to get it tuned. But yeah, pretty simple process. Make sure to drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. So I pull up in a land, big door, wearing Ricky too fat. You know it get cold. Bitch, I'm in New York like I play for the Jets. If you know, then you know. Get money and die for respect. Look, big dog, double R, we slide in the race.
it's different. I got a different type of, it's different, it's different. She got a different type of, it's different, it's different. So I'ma spend it on her, it's different,